Hello, Klaus here, and welcome back to yet another video here at the channel. In today's video, we are going to revisit subtitles in Davinci Resolve 16. I did a video about it in 16, so if you did not see that one and want the basic of doing subtitles, it'll be right up here somewhere in the card. So in this video, we're going to look at how to import SRT files and basically how it's set up and how we get that into Davinci Resolve and how we can work with subtitles fast and easy and export them out again so we can upload our videos to YouTube, Vimeo, and create subtitles we can attach to that. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Let's go to the editing suite.
Okay, so here we are back in Davinci Resolve, testing out the subtitles, and I already did import one subtitle, which is a Danish subtitle, and now I'll create a English subtitle for a older project I did a couple of years ago, or actually more likely 10 years ago, which I'm trying to release again, but more about that later, I think. So anyway, first up, let's go up and right click here, and let's just add a new subtitle track. And first off, we are going to change the name for the subtitle track. We'll just call this English, like that. And then we are just going to click here, and we're going to lock the Danish track and turn it off as well. And then we're going to open our folder here. And here I have actually it's just a notepad document which looks like this, and you have all the time codes and the exact words are being said. Then I transcoded that into a SRT file or RT file. And then it transcoded everything to look like this. So this is super useful if you are getting your subtitles for somebody who made them for you. So it's just to drag them in because I have the first word here. And here we go. And then I'll just go in and I will make it visible. And now we have the basic of our subtitles here. But as you see, they don't look like the other ones, and they have to look the same. Fortunately, you can't copy paste the look you're doing for your subtitles or the track style. So I'll just quickly do that, and I'll just type down here, Calibri. Let's take that. I'll make it bold, and then I'll make the color different, and I have saved that color so it's easier to do. And the size, that's fine. Line spacing, it's also okay. And then we'll just check the position. Okay, we'll move it a bit down, I think. Something or like that. And then we are going to make it a little bit smaller. Of course, if I want to change this later, I can just go in and do that in the track style. And then I am going to do a drop shadow here. Make it black. I will offset it, let's say 4,000, and then I will just on this I will do minus 2,000, and then I will blur it a bit, like 31 or something, and then the opacity, that's just fine. Okay, so let's have a look at how that is. So here,
Are we going on tour? I've just packed, but
yeah,
I don't understand.
and then of course we can adjust everything and make the text look better. You know, can make the lines look better, but that we can do in every clip, individual, if we want to. So, okay, go back to this. So the cool thing about doing this is, for instance, on this English one, I need to translate the text, which are here on Danish. So if I want to add a subtitle here, I'll just do like this. I'll just go up here and I'll just add new, and I can then type in the translation I want to. And it's pretty fast when you're doing multiple versions of these texts, or a multiple version of the same film, but with Danish text. So anyway, when you're done with all your text, the way you would export these things out, you'll go down to the delivery page. And here in the delivery page, we'll go down, and there is a subtitle settings. And we'll have a look at that. Of course, we want to export our subtitles and then either You can do it as a separate file, you can burn it in, or as an embedded caption. But we'll do it as separate files, and either as an SRT or a VBTV. And then we have our subtitles here. We have a Danish and an English. And then we can simply choose the ones we want to export, add it to the render queue, and you are ready to go. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, share it with your friends if you think it would help them out. And if you want to be notified every time there's a new video on the channel, please hit that bell icon down in the corner. Until next time, keep filming, keep learning, and keep sharing.